I have a headache. I have a migraine. I feel dizzy. I feel lightheaded. I feel faint. I'm losing my balance. My ears are ringing. My vision is blurred. I am having double vision. My ears feel plugged. I have a tingling sensation in my limbs. My hands feel numb. My fingers feel stiff. My hands are trembling. I have trouble concentrating. I feel anxious. I feel depressed. I feel jittery. I feel lethargic. I am coughing a lot. My throat is sore. My throat feels scratchy. I have a persistent cough. I'm short of breath. My chest feels tight. I have a burning in my chest. I feel sudden sharp chest pain. I have the flu. My voice is hoarse. I have trouble swallowing. My stomach hurts. I feel nauseous. I feel bloated. I have diarrhea. I feel constipated. I have stomach cramps. I have cramps during my period. I have heartburn. I feel very cold. I feel confused. My back is aching. My joints are aching. My muscles are sore. My shoulder is stiff. My neck hurts. My knee hurts when I walk. I have a swollen ankle. My feet are swollen. My heel is cracked. My hands are swollen. My forehead is swollen. I have a rash. My skin is dry and itchy. My skin is peeling. My skin is breaking out in hives. I have a bruise that won't heal. I have bad dandruff. My lips are swollen. I have a pimple on my face. My hair is falling out. My hair is thinning. My fingernail is broken. My scalp is itchy. I have a cold. I have a fever. I'm feeling feverish. I have chills. I have an ear infection. I have an allergic reaction. My lymph nodes are swollen. I have a toothache. My tooth is loose. My tooth is broken. My gums are swollen. My tongue is swollen. My mouth is dry. My gum is bleeding. My blood pressure is very high. My finger is bleeding. I feel extremely thirsty. I have a pain in my elbow. I lost some weight. My blood sugar is high. I have a sharp pain in my arm. I am hearing impaired. I can't hear well. My eyes are itchy. My eyes are watery. I can't stop sneezing. My nose is bleeding. My nose is stuffy. My hand is broken. My leg is broken. My veins are swollen.